Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to log in to Capital One online banking so you can access your account from a computer or mobile device. To get started, open a web browser and go to the official Capital One website. Once the page loads, look for the Sign In section on the homepage. Enter your Capital One username and password, then click Sign In. If you've already set it up, you can also use biometric options like Face ID or fingerprint sign-in when using the mobile app. If you've forgotten your username or password, click the Forgot Username or Password link and follow the on-screen steps to recover or reset your login information. If you don't already have an online banking login, select the option to enroll and complete the registration process by entering your personal and account information. Once you're logged in, you'll be able to view your accounts, check balances, transfer money, pay bills, and manage your Capital One banking online. That's it for this video. If this guide helped you log into Capital One online banking, make sure to like, subscribe, and leave a comment if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.